Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today we do two simple things. How to cook a soft-boiled egg and how to cook a hard-boiled egg. Maybe sounds very simple, right? But pretty sure one or the other is out there who appreciates how I do my soft and hard-boiled egg. Okay, very simple. We need boiling water. Oops, well that's already, we prepared that earlier. Yeah, so we can turn it a little bit down, so it's simmering nicely. But definitely your water has to simmer. And then, if you can, have your eggs, say 5 minutes or 10 minutes earlier out of the refrigerator, so they're getting a little bit room temperature. Now we immerse them nicely in the water, and at the same time we're putting our timer on. Right? I mean, if you have an egg clock or a watch, yeah. So I just have this all obviously programmed in my lovely oven here. Timer is running, 14 seconds. Yeah. For the soft boiled eggs, we keep them simmering for 6 minutes. Okay, our timer, I think it's nearly there for the soft boiled eggs for 6 minutes. Yeah. So for you just witnessed it. Now the important thing is, yes, you would not believe it, we're taking now these 2 eggs and we give them a little bit of shock in ice water, ice cold water. Look at that, yeah? We don't let them cool down completely because we want to have warm soft boiled eggs, right? But that's all what it needs, yeah? And then we take them out. But while I have them in my hand, now the remaining 2 eggs, which will be the hard-boiled eggs, we're turning our heat source off to 0, and we just let them rest for other 4 minutes, also to 10 minutes then. 6 are the soft, 10 are the hard, right? But no more boiling, yeah? Just let them simmer. Okay, the soft-boiled eggs, here we go. We're putting them here. Now, 2 versions of it. First of all, we see if we can peel it nicely. Yeah, we prepared it for later on. Yeah, let's see if that works. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it peels nicely. And it feels soft. And why it peels nicely, I tell you now. Because when I put the egg in the ice water, the outer shell of the egg shell itself, due to the shock, right, gets all micro cracks in the shell, right? And that's why it peels easy. Okay, but we have another version. Not sure if that works, but we give this a go as well. Here we go, my magic. If you want to take the cap off, right? So we have here a little egg cutter, I may call it, right? Take this one off, oops, like this. And you can see it's formed a beautiful cut just around on the top here. Yeah. Now, of course, we want to take this one off as well, right? For later on. So we take this one off. Look at that, it peels off so nicely. Just, there we go. Yeah, this is with our egg cutter. Right, we just took the cap off, as I said. Yeah, we leave that here. Okay, our 10 minutes are over right now, yeah, on our clock. Yeah, we turned our heat source off already. And the same thing goes, yes, like with the soft one, we take them out of the water and in our ice water and give them a little bit of a shock, right? I just said it a minute ago. Yeah, so this outer shell, yeah, gets all these little micro cracks. There we go. Beautiful. That's our hard boiled. Yes, we let this one rest here. And this one we peel. Give it another crack all over, nice and gentle. And we peel it, right? And when you do this one, obviously you can't feel it, but I do. It feels already much firmer than the soft boiled egg, right? So don't forget, soft boiled, hard boiled. Okay? We want to do this exercise again? No, we leave that one. Don't worry about it. Okay? Okay, the proof is in the pudding, yeah? Can you remember how long was a soft boiled egg in it? I said 6 minutes. Hard boiled, 10 minutes. Okay, of course I cut first the hard boiled, because otherwise the soft one will runs out. Okay, proof is in the pudding. Look at that, if this is not a beautiful hard boiled egg, right? The core has just a little bit of a moisture, but the egg yolk is completely cooked through. Okay, soft boiled, let's see. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Yes, yeah, we have a little just an outer rim of the egg yolk cooked, and all the other mass is still nice and runny. So beautiful. Okay. Again, thank you joining me on ChopChopChef, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Till next time.